Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? In today's uncertain economy, more and more people are feeling trapped in their 9-to-5 jobs. Rising bills, shrinking savings, and the constant worry about tomorrow's expenses. It's a story we're all too familiar with. The truth is, working harder at your day job isn't the answer. Trading time for money will always limit your potential. I know because I've been there, stuck in that same cycle, watching life pass by while sitting in a cubicle. I knew there had to be a better way. Like you, I started exploring ways to make money online. Facebook ads, too expensive. SEO takes forever. Content creation, way too time-consuming. I tried all. But then I discovered something that changed everything: email marketing. Not the complicated, technical stuff you might be thinking of. I'm talking about a simple, straightforward system that anyone can follow. You see, while everyone else is chasing the latest trends, email marketing has been quietly making people money year after year. Why? Because it's one of the few methods that actually work for beginners. I started from zero, just like you. After months of trial and error, I finally created a system that works. A system I call First 1K, because that's exactly what it helps you achieve, your first milestone in email marketing. This isn't about getting rich overnight. This is about building something real, something that lasts. Inside this system, you'll learn exactly how to start your email marketing journey the right way. Step by step, no fluff, no complicated theories. You'll discover how to build your email list from scratch, how to connect with your subscribers, and how to turn your list into a real business asset. Everything is broken down into simple, actionable steps that anyone can follow. Why am I sharing this? Because I remember how it feels to be stuck, searching for a real solution. That's why I've priced this at just $14.95, less than the cost of a pizza. I want to make this accessible to everyone who's serious about building their online business. And here's the best part. You're protected by my 14-day guarantee. Take 2 full weeks to try the system. If you're not completely satisfied, simply send me an email for a full refund. No questions asked. Think about where you could be a few weeks from now. You could still be searching for answers, trying to figure it all out on your own. Or you could be building your email marketing business with a proven system. The choice is yours. But don't wait too long. This special price won't last forever. Click the button below to get instant access to the First 1K system. Remember, you have nothing to lose and a whole new skill to gain. Take action now. Your future self will thank you.